are several pieces of equipment needed to keep a water garden both clean and aerated. And Mike, can you walk us through the system designed for this water garden?
Certainly. We'll start over here with a skimmer. The skimmer serves two purposes. It provides a home for the pump, and it provides a method to clean debris off of the surface of the pond and put it in a place where we can then get it out and keep it clean.
Okay, so it has several components inside of there.
I'll show you these. This is the skimmer basket. This is where the trash is going to get accumulated, and we're going to be able to clean it out. So you want to be sure and site your skimmer someplace convenient for you to work on it. This is the weir. It's a floating weir, and it moves up and down and keeps with the water level so that the water creates a surface tension and draws the material into the skimmer. This plate comes out, and you actually have a pump down inside the skimmer. That's what is sucking the water in from across the pond, forcing it through a tube here in the back around to the waterfall filter. And that's the next piece we need to talk about.
I noticed as I come around here, this tubing is actually a real flexible type of PVC.
It is. Pick that up, Kim. That's a flexible PVC. It's a polyvinyl chloride, very much like the white Schedule 40 pipe that most people are familiar with, but it's flexible. You can see it's moved all the way from the skimmer around here and lays down in a trench where it's going to hook up to the next component, which is a waterfall filter.
And this has several parts and pieces.
Yes, it does.
To it.
The waterfall filter serves a couple of purposes. Number one, it provides for biological filtration. Bacteria are going to grow in this media down inside here. Then it provides some mechanical filtration with a mat that the water is going to be forced through. This mat is going to trap trash and keep it from coming out. So you've got to be able to get to this to clean it out. So we'll put that down in there. And then the last part is a plant tray. It has holes in the bottom to allow the water to come through, and you can put plants in there that will then make use of all that fertile water. As the water comes through here, it's going to come back down into the pond and start the circuit all over again. That's a basic filtration system for a very basic pond.
Okay, and this is all you would need for a basic pond, but we have this extra feature of the little babbling brook. So tell me about the filtration and other equipment we have for this part.
This filter that's hidden back here is a biological mechanical filter with an ultraviolet light built into it. And we want the UV light because as the water passes that, it's going to kill the single cell algae that's in the water.
Okay.
And that's what we're looking for it to do. It's going to be from the pump here in the bottom up to the filter, from the filter over to a diffuser over here to start the stream back down into the pond. Let's look at that diffuser.
And the function of that diffuser is to spread the water out, right?
Absolutely. If you think about your garden hose, if we just had the tubing come over here and make a hole, then it would just squirt out like the end of the garden hose. And we don't want that. We want it to look more natural. So we have a diffuser that causes all of that water to spread out, fill up that hole that it's going to be in, and run down this creek very slowly, very quietly. It should be a nice babbling brook for people to sit and enjoy. So we've actually got another filtration system going this way that matches that one over there. We felt it was necessary in your case because of all of the plant life you have around, and we're going to get a lot of leaves in here, so we want to have a good skimmer on it.
Okay, well thank you so much.